Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about writing skill. Or in that, dear children, different portions of writing skill we have discussed. In that, I have taught you about invitations, formal invitation and informal invitations, formal replies and informal replies. I have taught you about letter writing also and article writing or different topics in article writing I have explained. The same thing in letter writing also. That many letters and rules of writing formal and informal letters I have taught you. Or all are very important, dear children, for your examination point of view. I have taught you notice writing also. But today, once again, I am going to teach you and discuss this notice writing to you. And dear students, this notice writing you are studying from class 6, or you know how to write the notice. But certain things you have to keep in your mind while writing the notice. As you know that notice is a short composition, or it is written to give the information to a group of people, and maximum 50 words you have to you have to write. In maximum 50 words you have to write the notice. It is not a long composition, it is a short composition. Or certain things you have to know, dear children. I want to tell you. Okay, first point, that why do we write notices? Why do we write notices? What are the purpose of writing notices? So, to announce an event. Whenever you have to announce any event, any program, so for that notices are written. To give information about a specific group of people. Whenever you have to give that any information to a specific group of people, so in that case, dear children, this short composition notice is written. So first, dear children, why do we write the notice? To announce an event. Second, to give information about about notice to a specific group of people. Second point, scope. In that, dear children, notices may cover a wide range of themes. They may announce cultural, academic, sports, events, celebration, competitions. Regarding that, the notices are written. They cover a wide range of themes. Notices may be related to any cultural activity, related to cultural programs, related to any competition, related to any celebration, related to sports activities. So it covers a wide range of themes. Or one more important point, dear children, you must know What should a notice contain? Whenever you are going to write a notice, what things are given in that notice? What a notice, a good notice contains? So, dear children, first thing, and what things you have to keep in your mind while writing this short composition notice. Number one, always put the notice in box. Whenever you are going to write the notice, dear children, you must put the notice in box. And the word limit should be 50 words only. Title, date, and designation of the person who is writing the notice should be written clearly. Title, heading, date, and designation, and details of the events in, dear children, the message, the portion which is containing the information, it should be written in detail, or it in that time, date, and venue should be written very properly. Whom to contact for further details, it should be also mentioned, or the notice word should be written in capital letter. Or once again, as it is short composition, so dear children, you have to write the notice not more than 50 words. I want to tell you this short composition notice writing with the help of one example. Suppose you are Mithun, secretary of student council of your school, or in your school a famous magician is coming, and there is a program, there is a magic show of that famous magician, or you have to inform about this magic show to all the students of your school. Then how will you write this notice? Dear children, as I have told you, first of all, the name of institution, which is or the name of organization which is issuing and this notice, its name should be in capital letter at the top. The organization, the institution which is issuing the notice, its name should be written at the top in capital letter. Suppose the name of organization is, say, Safez Public School, or after that, below that, dear children, you have to write notice word. It should be also in capital letter. Or dear children, at the left, dear children, you have to write date also. Or date, you have to not write DATE or 5.9.2020, but you have to write 5th September 2020. Or just below the notice, you have to write the title or heading, or it should be also in capital letter. So three things should be in capital letter. Keep in your mind. One, the name of organization or institution which is issuing that notice, means it should be in capital, then notice word should be capital, and then title should be capital. Or after that, message, that message containing a concise information of that event should be also written in detail, should be also written. Or how will you write that content? So I'm just telling you that all the students from 6th to 12th are informed that, because you are going to inform the students of your school. So all the students from 6th to 12th are informed that Mr. O.P. Sharma, a famous magician or an amazing magician, will present a magic show in our school auditorium or in our school campus. Date you have to mention on 10th September. The notice is written on 5th September and the program will be on 10th September 2020. So all the students from 6th to 12th are informed that Mr. O.P. Sharma, a famous magician, will present a magic show in our school on 10th September 2020 at 10 a.m. For what purpose? In aid of flood victims of Bihar. The purpose is very pious and pure, and Mr. O.P. Sharma is going to present this magic show in our school to help the flood victims of Bihar. Students and parents are cordially invited. So here you have to inform that parents are also invited. They are heartily, politely invited, and students are also invited for this good cause. Our entry fees is 50 rupees per head. And after that, dear children, you have to write the name of authority, name of the person with designation who is writing the notice or who is issuing this notice. So as I have told you, the person can be suppose Ramesh, Mahesh, or here person is Mithun, or what is his designation? Secretary of Student Council. So this is the way of writing a good notice. So certain points you have to keep in your mind, dear children. First, you have to write the name of institution in capital letter. Then notice word you have to write in capital letter. And then, dear children, you have to write the heading also in capital letter, and date should be written in this way, 5th September 2020, or the information should be in brief and all the details should be given like date, time, venue, purpose, and after that then the person who is writing that notice with designation, it will be written at the bottom. Or after writing the notice, dear children, you must keep your notice in the box. You must put your notice in box, because these things are also, this thing is very, very important. So if you have written correctly, your all these points are correct, like name of the institution in capital, notice, heading, date, and content also, and then this last point, the name of the person who is writing the notice with designation. So obviously you will get full marks. This is all about this notice writing, dear children. I hope you must have understood. I will give you some samples also, dear children, of this notice writing. Some questions of notice writing you will write in your notebook. Thank you, dear children.